Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
That Goa plays a very significant and a very critical role in this growth story of India becoming a Viksit Bharat. It's not possible for India to grow without Goa growing. Goa is the second richest state in India in per capita terms. Income in Goa is 3.5 lakh, whereas the rest of India, the average incomes are about 1.1 lakh. Goa has the highest unemployment rate in India. It has 8.5% against a national average. Your unemployment rate is 8.5% against a national average of 3.2%. Very high. Your female labor force participation is very low. To my mind, Goa must be promoted as an investment destination. It's not the state which does it. State creates the environment. Jobs are not created by state. Jobs are created by the private sector. The state creates the conducive atmosphere for the private sector to grow and expand. Tourism has to remain a big contributor, but it must shift to being a high-value tourism destination. And experiential tourism is people want to come and experience Goa as it is, its culture, its ethos, its music, its art forms, its churches, etc. And my objective of saying this is that it's important that Goa projects itself as a very sustainable destination. It projects itself as a green destination, as a resilient and responsible destination. 100% electrification of two-wheelers by 2027. There's no reason why 2027 Goa should not achieve 100% electrification of two-wheelers, 100% electrification of commercial four-wheelers by 2030, and 100% electrification of buses by 2030.